Now another curve, last type of the representation for the class 9th level, that is known as the frequency polygon. What is the frequency polygon? How we make it? So to make the frequency polygon, first we must understand that what is required. Class intervals for some observation 100 to 157, 150 to 203, 200 to 250 is 10, 250 to 300 is 4. In fact, frequency polygon is always made with the help of class marks and their corresponding frequencies. Class mark and corresponding frequencies, when taken together, their dots, their points are represented and joined, then this polygon so obtained is known as the frequency polygon. So first I want to tell you there are two approaches to represent it. First is this, that is class intervals. I am writing 100 to 150, its frequency is 7. 150 to 200, frequency is 3. 200 to 250, frequency is 10. This is frequency. And 250 to 300, frequency is 4. These are the frequencies given as required as per the question. I want to tell you what is the class mark. I already explained you. Class mark is the lower plus upper limit upon 2 for any interval. First interval having lower limit 100, upper limit 150, their sum is 250, its half, that is divided by 2, is 125. So I am writing here class marks 125, for next it is 175, this is 225, and this class marks is 275. The frequency polygon is the polygon which shows the corresponding joinings of class mark on x-axis and corresponding frequency on y-axis. So to make its frequency polygon, sometime we can use the histogram method also. But how the histogram method is used and what is the direct method, both I am explaining you. First I want to tell you how with the help of histogram I can draw. Suppose this is the vertical one, y-axis where frequencies will be shown, and this is the x-axis. This is x-axis where observations, or you can say the class intervals, are marked. X-axis, or you can use here for class intervals. These are the, this is y-axis, and here we represent the frequency. Frequency maximum is 10. So I am taking individuals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can take 9, and this one is 10. This is y-axis. These are the frequencies. Here it is 0, then 100, next 150, then I am taking 200, then 250, next is 300. I hope 300 is the last which we need. As here 0 to 100, so I can put a kink because gaps are of 50-50 and first interval is showing of 100. That's why I am going to put a kink. I am explaining you how to draw the frequency polygon without calculating the class marks. First 100 to 150 frequency is 7. So this is the 100 to 150 frequency is 7. 150 to 200 frequency is 3. 150 to 200 its frequency is 3. 200 to 250 frequency is 10. Frequency is the highest, in this case this is 10. last is frequency for 250 to this, that is this is the frequency. In case while you are drawing any frequency polygon, take care, always put one more class interval. Next will be 350, though it is not given, but we will put, and previous also, previous will be here somewhere 50. Suppose I am not mentioning because the kink is already put, then I will trace the midpoints of these 100 to 150. This is the midpoint on the highest position. This is the midpoint on the highest position of this interval. This is the midpoint of the next one. This is the midpoint of the last one. With the help of scale, we have to join by the straight line these midpoints, and then the polygon has to be closed and start with the x-axis. So I will bind and I will close and terminate between 300 and 350 because I took one more interval. So I will bring it here and it will be closed like this. Now here it will start from somewhere between 0 and 100. So I will put here. So this shape so obtained, I am going to put it by the dark pencil or dark marker. This along with bounding of this x-axis. This polygon, so what forms? Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, you can say A, B, C, D, E, F, A, because A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This is a closed polygon, or we call it frequency polygon. Now if you remove all the bars, suppose you have removed these lengths, so what will left? Only and only we will left with this frequency polygon. So this is the method that first we will draw what? We will draw the bars and we will take their midpoints, we will join, we will proceed one step forward, we will take one step backward and we will darken that part. We will remove with the eraser, with the help of eraser, the height of the bars. What so figure polygon left is known as the frequency polygon. This is known as with the help of our histogram. Suppose you want to make it direct, it is again easy because midpoint whatsoever I have taken. So for 125 you will take 7, this is 125 and 7, this is next 175 and 3, this is next your 225 and 10, then your next this, and it will be closed. So it is always advisable that we should try to make the frequency polygon with the help of our which, that is histogram, as well as 2 or more histogram on the same graph sheet can be made. Similarly, 2 or more frequency polygon for same class interval with different frequencies can also be drawn on the same sheet of the graph.